Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to restore an accidentally deleted recycle bin in Windows 10, then either read through this article on the Windows Club or simply watch this video. First of all, press the Windows key and the R button to open the Run window. Now type the command regedit and hit enter to open the registry editor window. Then go to the key HKey local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, Explorer, desktop, namespace, and find this key which ends with F954E. You'll find the default option on the pane on the right hand side. Double click on it to open it and make sure that the value of the value data is recycle bin. Click on OK and the recycle bin will be restored. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.